Hi guys, so you remember this particular box I opened a few days ago? Well, today I'm preparing breakfast, lunch and dinner all from this box. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe now because amazing stuff are coming your way. So guys, remember I said there was something for breakfast, lunch and dinner in that same box? Well, I am actually making breakfast, lunch and dinner. So I'm starting out my breakfast with French toast. I thought of how I was going to create something new, but well, my head is full, so I decided to do French toast for breakfast using bacon and the golden penny bread spread. Amazing, right? So if you love cooking, this is for you. You can win up to 2.5 million naira and amazing gifts from Golden Penny. All you have to do is make 2 minutes video of you cooking with anything from Golden Penny and upload it on all social media platforms and tag Golden Penny. You stand a chance to become one of their new chief ambassadors. Click the link below for registration and don't forget to tag all your friends who know how to cook so they can join the competition as well. On to the lunch video. See you guys later.